If you stream to multiple platforms at the same time, you no longer need to have multiple tabs open to be able to engage with your community. In today's video, I'm going to show you how directly inside of Evmux, you're able to go ahead and have just one tab, the Evmux Live Studio Editor, to be able to go ahead and reply to your users directly inside of Evmux. So let's go and jump into my Evmux account so I can show you what this actually looks like. So once you're inside of your Evmux account, you're going to be inside of your Live Studio Editor. You're going to see here where you normally access your comments for your viewers on social platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and things of that sort. So you're going to see here a new option that's going to give you the availability to be able to go ahead and decide on replying back to comments. You can select all destinations, meaning that when you submit the comment here and you say this is a test, that's going to go ahead and send it out to all of the destinations that you are live streaming to. You then have the option to select a specific platform that you want to reply. Let's say you have a viewer that's just watching you on YouTube and they're not on Facebook. You can simply go ahead and select YouTube, and this is going to go ahead and comment on your behalf with your YouTube account on your YouTube channel for your viewers to be able to see. So if you're not able to respond verbally, you're able to respond back in a comment, and the same you're able to do for a Facebook. So what I want to see here is that there are some destinations that you cannot post to. So once you come here, you're going to select learn more, and you're going to see the platforms that are currently supported. On the left hand side, you're going to see all of the platforms. Here on the right hand side, you're going to see all the ones that have a check, meaning that say red. Those are the ones that you're able to go ahead and read. So those are comments that you're able to go ahead and see inside of Evmux without any issue. Then the ones that say reply, they have a check mark. These are the platforms that you're able to go ahead and utilize Evmux for to be able to go ahead and reply back to your viewers. So you'll see here that you have Facebook page, you'll have a YouTube channel, and you have a Twitch profile. And in the future, a lot of these destinations, what's going to be available will change and update. But you can see here just how powerful this is to once again be able to utilize Evmux not only for recording and live streaming, but also for engaging in with your community without having to have multiple tabs open. Now, if you want to learn how to be able to stream to multiple destinations at the same time and select different titles and schedule live streams, go ahead and watch this video right here where I walk you step by step on how to schedule a live stream for a future date. That way you can build up excitement for that event. I'll see you guys in the next video.